Tony, now a story you'll only see on Eyewitness News tonight.
Only Eyewitness News cameras were rolling as Newport police and officers from the Drug Enforcement Agency make more than a dozen arrests this morning in drug raids that swept across the city.
The suspects are accused of dealing everything from crack cocaine to marijuana and even prescription drugs.
Eyewitness News reporter Andrew Adamson was there. He joins us now with the exclusive details.
A citywide drug bust in the early hours nets multiple arrests on the streets of Newport. Drug suspects all over Newport busted at the residences, handcuffed and booked. Eyewitness News on the scene exclusively as law enforcement officials carry out a sweep starting at 5 o'clock Tuesday morning.
Our Vice Unit in Patrol Division executed 31 arrest warrants and 5 search warrants this morning, all narcotic related.
The Newport Police Department's Vice Narcotics Unit teamed up with the Drug Enforcement Agency in the undercover operation targeting street-level drug dealing in Newport. The sweep had been in the works for nearly 5 months.
Finally, we got everything we wanted. All the warrants were signed and issued, and we executed them today.
Our Pinpoint News Tracker shows you the suspects' locations ranging north in Parkholm and Rolling Green down to Chapel Terrace and Spring Street. The suspects are accused of dealing cocaine, crack, marijuana, and prescription drugs. Several vehicles and cash were seized. Investigators are now trying to see if any of these suspects are working together.
As soon as a problem is identified, the Vice Unit will take that information and look into it and see if there's any validity to any of these possible, drug dealings.
Police say the initial sweep landed more than half of the targeted suspects. Following their arrests, the suspects were arraigned as the investigation continues. In the newsroom, Andrew Adamson, Eyewitness News.